Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I got another hair review. UNice hair sent me over some beautiful curly hair, all these nice gifts. Girl, look at these lashes, period. Yes, so I am absolutely loving this hair, guys. So all the details on this hair will be down in the description below. This hair is super easy. It's a VPart wig, y'all. This hair was constructed very good. You can wear this without a leave out, but I wore mine with a leave out. Super pretty. I actually colored this hair, and this hair colored so pretty. So I don't want to talk the whole video, but I do want to show y'all how I finessed and still colored this hair without gloves, without foil, and baby, it got the job done. I didn't burn myself. All I used was my little grocery bags. Yeah, and I finessed, and it worked out. This is looking really crazy, y'all, but trust the progress. Like this, I don't have nothing on my hands. I'm not burning. So I was basically, it just works, y'all. This method works. You don't have any bags. Okay, y'all, so excuse my nails, but here I'm just showing y'all how my little plastic bags, grocery bags, work. I'm just showing the color. I wasn't going for something super bright, just a little pop of color for the fall, and it definitely worked. I left this color on for about 5 minutes. So here you just see me washing out the hair. I did use my Dawn dish soap, y'all. I'm telling y'all, if you coloring some hair, use a Dawn dish soap to wash it out. It's gonna change your life. I'm telling you. Try it. Okay, y'all, I'm looking real crazy. So I did have my hair sectioned off for this. I just did a small leave out because look, you only need a little leave out for this to achieve this look. And yeah, these are old braids, baby. I need to wash my hair, but I was like, let me just leave this in for the video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply the VPart wig. It was super easy to come with those clips. Look how the color came out. Like, girl, let's talk about it, okay? Anyway, super pretty. Like, this hair was super soft. Y'all can see the curls are still popping. This is no product at all. So here, y'all, I'm just trying to see how I want to position the wig. This is my first time ever trying a VPart, so I was just trying to see what's going on. My hair is so dirty. I'm so sorry, y'all. Next time I will definitely have clean hair. But yeah, I'm just applying it now. I'm just trying to see how I want. I knew I did not want to use no heat on this, so I was just like, let me try to twist my hair before to see can I get my hair to have some curls of some sort. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna stop talking and just let y'all watch. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay these hair, define the curls, and put on some makeup and get cute. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I think it came out so pretty. I love this, y'all. It's definitely giving very much natural. I did the best I could with my real hair. I didn't want to put no heat on it, so I pretty much just put a little of this shine cluster on it and some eco style gel so it could blend as best as possible for this. It's probably going to go in and actually define it a little bit more, and I'll probably come back and show y'all how that looks. But as of now, this still looks so pretty. I like big hair, so I'm just like tossing this hair around, and I think that little color I put in, I just put a little speck of color. I think it came out so pretty. The curls are still popping, and I just love this. This is so pretty. Like, it's just really, really pretty. And I just did my makeup a little bit, just, you know, to give the girls a little look. But this is so pretty. Okay, y'all, so this pretty much wraps up this video. I just want to give y'all another look of the hair. This hair was fire. I love this curly hair, and I do want to give another shout out to UNice Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful unit, y'all. Again, if y'all want to know all the details, just check the description box below, and I'll see y'all on my next video. And yes, and let me know, y'all, if y'all are loving my new intro. Just let me know, give me some feedback. I would love to hear from you guys, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.